Coming up on Playwrights Round Table, a young man breaks away from his hippie mother and her holistic herbal medicines in search of something that actually works. Welcome to Playwrights Round Table. I'm your host, Al Pergande. PRT is Central Florida's only year-round producer of original stage works. Every month, playwrights are nurtured through our free workshops. Many scripts are transformed to the stage and even onto the small screen, like this next play, Jalapeno Cough Syrup. I wrote it, and David Strauss directed it for me. Enjoy the show.
Try it, Dogwood. It'll make you feel better.
My name is Donnie, and I'm not drinking any more of that pretend cough medicine. It makes my butt hurt. Hey, Chase, what do you call the good stuff?
But it's made from echinacea and organic jalapenos and ginger and love. I learned the recipe in the ashram, and look how it look how it's helped me.
Righteous, dude. Hey, Mom, listen, I want some Dimetapp. Jason swears it works.
No, it's evil in a bottle from Big Pharma.
No, it works. Look, netmed.com doesn't lie. You'd get me a prescription if you cared about me.
Herbal is always better, Dogwood.
I hate that name. Who names their kid Dogwood? I mean, why do you hate me? I didn't ask to be born, and now people keep beating me up because my name is Dogwood. Were you on drugs?
We were all on drugs, honey, but they were natural.
That's it. I need to score now. Chase, where are you at? I'm gonna get some real medicine. You'll see.
No, you are not going to that creepy place all full of plastic and glitter.
I'm going out. I'll see you when I'm well.
Well, wear a coat, Dogwood. You'll catch a cold.
I have a cold. And stop calling me that. Chase, in 15, talk me in.
Peace. The universe is at one with you. Kids these days. Let's have some ID, kiddo. Okay, here's the rules. No booze, no cigs. You can have G, K, or X. Condom machines are in the Johns.
I need some Dimetapp.
Whoa! Sonny boy, not here. This is a pharma-free zone. We would never allow that stuff in here.
Maybe Robitussin?
CF, nighttime or long-lasting?
What can I get for this?
Go to the bar. Ask for Shirley Temple.
Who's she?
Look her up.
Cute kid. Hey, Chase, you ever hear of a kid named Shirley Temple?
Now, beat it, kid. You're bothering me.
Eat flaming death, Nazi fascist, RAAA, pig. Hey, Chase, where you at again? You're where? Oh, wait, can you see any boobies? Oh, cool, dude.
Snot-nosed brat. Kids these days.
Just tweet me the password. No, just tweet me the No, look, I'm dying here. Just. What do you mean dance? What, like this?
What do you need, kid?
Shirley Temple promised me a lollipop.
Yeah, well, she ain't here tonight.
Kim Possible's on the cover of the Inquirer.
I hear one of the brats is seeing Leonardo DiCaprio.
I love Google Chrome.
Wait a minute. You sound way too old to be 13.
I have a head cold.
Yeah, that's what they all say. Your mom know you're here?
Hey, Mom, is it okay if I go to a biker bar? Just kidding with you.
Yeah, wise guy. Through there. Kids these days. Yeah, I need 15 pounds of grapes. Yeah, and a case of ketchup. I don't know, how were your x-rays? Good. I'll take 20 of those. What the hell was that, pneumonia?
No, I have a head cold. Hey, listen, I need some cough syrup I can trust.
Kinda young for that, ain't ya? Get something from your mama.
Hey, wait. All my mom gives me is that herbal stuff from the juicer. I need the real deal.
How real?
Dimetap? Maybe Robitussin?
No, you're way too young for stuff like that.
Hey, I've done NyQuil.
Call you back. It's your infection. Now these products are particularly hard to get these days. The Natural Drug Enforcement Agency is cracking down, and real industrial-grade expectorants are drying up. Can I interest you in some ecstasy instead?
I can get that anywhere.
I have a bottle of Waltussin.
Well, don't give me that stepped-on crap.
Hey, it's just a generic. It's molecularly identical to the original. I'll let you have a bump.
You got anything stronger?
I can see you're a discerning man. Check this. Dimetap Extra, genuine, Canadian mail order. A bit pricey, but worth it. Just don't operate any heavy equipment like a Wii or a PlayStation.
Jesus!
The cops! Ha! Pens these days!
Whoa! Chase, dude, do you read this? Yeah, man, this is some good stuff. Yep, grade A, decongestant and expectorant, yep. Yeah, no, I'll save you some. No, I gotta get home. Yeah, Mom is making lentils and cleaning her mandala. Some really good stuff.
Dogwood, Cobain, Nirvana, Schwartz, where have you been? I was worried sick.
My name is Donnie, and I feel great.
You didn't!
Oh, but I did. Got it all right here. Instant relief.
No, that's the placebo effect. You give me that poison! I'll not have you damaging your DNA and my ozone!
Well, it's too late. I can breathe. And I can outrun you.
Dogwood! No, Dogwood!
Mom, get up off the floor. Stop it. It's not gonna work this time. Just get up. Mom? Mom? Mom! Here, try some of this. I swear it works, just a little bit. Okay. Mom. Please don't die on me. Please, you can call me Dogwood all you want. Look, I'm your little Dogwood. Look, just don't die on me. Please, Mom.
Donnie!
Yes?
Do you have any Grateful Dead? I think this stuff's starting to kick in.
Thanks for watching Playwrights Round Table. Are you a budding playwright? Many of our writers have gone on to present their works around the country. Or maybe you would like feedback on your works in progress. See what's happening at theprt.com and check out our monthly meetings, or join us on Facebook. I'm Al Pergande, and I'll see you at the theater.